Hello, this is Vinny here. Today it's going to be a quick video just to highlight about making decision on trading. Just now I was doing a lesson and then a student asked me, do I take a look at the resistance or what's my potential profit target when I want to long buy a particular trade? The answer is actually I note my risk a lot more than potentially how far it might go. Okay, so let me just give you an example of this trade, which is on silver. As you can see, what I'm trying to do is that this is my sub account that has been copied from my main account, and they trade on just one lot size, which is 0.01, which is the minimum that you can do in a CFDs broker when you're trading, for example, silver, gold, crypto, BTC, Ethereum. You can see that the trade size, they are all into the 0.01. The reason of trading this small lot size is because I wanted to motivate, to give you confidence, because I realized that a lot of my students, they started, but then they met with some losses and they got demoralized. And I think that one thing to pick up that confidence to get started again is to control the lot size. That means you are still trading. Don't go to a demo account. You're still trading, but to get into a small lot size. From there, you manage your psychology. You picked it up from small, you get used to the losses that you see, you get used to the profit that you see, and from there you can increase your lot size, and actually you can build your account quite well even with a small lot size. So this is what I have here, which is on silver, and the entry on silver was about 58.50. And where is 58.50? I have to say that the entry was somewhere around here, if I don't remember wrongly. So that was somewhere around here, and then price moved a little bit higher and then moved down. So it's always scary to see that after you have entered and then price moved down. The reason being is that you start to see your account like this getting from a positive or even like a slight break even to negative. Okay, you start to see red numbers, and that really causes you to panic, especially when you have a huge lot size and you don't get used to it. The key idea is you're not used to that huge loss. Then you start to panic. And even a lot of people are not used to a lot of profit, and they start to deviate from their rules and they start to take profit and lose that potential profit. I started somewhere around here and I have to go through that movement up and down, etc. And I focus on, if I'm long, if I'm buying, I focus on the support. That means my risk. Okay, so because I've seen that this trade had a support for so many times already, like twice, 1, 2, that's the second time, and then when it goes up, as long as this key support which has been identified by TED, it doesn't get broken, that means that price will zoom, they'll move down, then I'm at ease. Okay, I'm able to hold on to this trade on this smaller lot size. And right now, even though it's running at $200, I went through the red number. That means I went through a period of losses because I entered around here. Okay, so it has to go down to 57. That means that I saw a potential loss of $100. And am I used to a loss of $100? Yes. Okay, but you see the amount of gain, let's say $200 versus the equity that I have is quite substantial, because then the balance I have here is this amount, which is about 1,004, and then the equity is about 1,006. And the margin that I'm using is 106, but the profit's actually twice my margin. So the key idea is that when you are trading, you have to get used to this number. And when you are buying, make sure that you buy near to a very strong support. And as long as this support is not broken, you're going to hold on your trade, because then your trade plan hasn't been jeopardized yet. You're still in your trade plan. But if the support is broken, then you just have to cut loss. And along the way, while you're waiting, you have to get into a lot size that you are totally comfortable. You're totally comfortable with the amount of losses that you're seeing, and you're totally comfortable with the amount of profit that you're seeing in that short span of time. So this is why I do encourage to start with a small lot size. Now, if you do want to start this account, then the partner broker has a promotion that gets you a 30% bonus deposit. You can just click on this link here or scan this QR code, and then you can apply for the account to try with a small account, a small lot size, and with that 30% deposit bonus, you increase the margin and you're going to see that actually your trade can improve, your psychology can improve. And that's really very important because this is going to set the foundation for your future trade. All right, I hope that this quick video is going to help you a lot in establishing your emotions in trading, help you to move forward so that you get a great trade at this point of time. All right, if you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I see you in my next video. These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.